At 24-Hour Fitness, we can't wait to welcome you back to our club. And we've been hard at work making them cleaner and more sanitary than ever to help keep our community safe. As we get ready to reopen, we've reimagined your club experience to support social distancing, manage the number of people in club, and allow time for thorough cleanings by closing overnight and at regular intervals throughout the day. The difference begins before you leave home with our new workout reservation system. Download the 24Go app to reserve your time slot. We'll close for 30 minutes before and after your session to make sure the club is clean and ready to go. In addition to a water bottle, mat, and towel, bring your own protective mask if you prefer. Then use our new 24Go touch-free check-in to check in safely using just your phone and our app. You'll notice plenty of space between open machines to help you work out with total confidence. Signage will remind everyone of important protocols, like maintaining a safe social distance, washing hands frequently, cleaning the equipment you use, and respecting areas that have been repurposed to provide everyone with ample workout space. Personal training and studio classes will meet at modified times and locations to allow you room to spread out and time for us to clean between classes. We'll remind you when it's time to go so we can close the club for our next 30-minute cleaning. Between visits to the club, you can also keep fit at home using our 24Go app. Customize workouts and plans to fit your home equipment, stream popular classes from our fitness partners, or meet up on 24Go Live for community workout experiences. We're also offering virtual training with 24-hour fitness coaches to help you stay motivated and always improving. We know these are uncertain times, and we're committed to coming through them safely and responsibly. Your health is the heart of what we do. Let's stand strong against COVID-19 together.